This is Adam Chandler with Realty Link, presenting to you a rare development opportunity located in Anderson, South Carolina. Anderson is a vibrant town located 25 miles south of Greenville on Interstate 85 and is one of the largest towns in the Greenville-Spartanburg MSDA. The property is a 38-acre mix of commercial and multifamily. There are 3 points of access to the property: Brown Road just behind Sam's Wholesale Club, Fritz Drive, which is connected to Clemson Boulevard, and a fully signalized intersection shared with Kohl's, Target, and many other retail users. There will also be access to the Beltline once the road is completed in 2013, which will connect to Highway 81. This interconnected ingress and egress makes the subject property easily accessible from any area in the Anderson market. The subject property has 15 acres which are zoned multifamily and 23 acres zoned commercial. There is approximately 680 feet of frontage on Brown Road and enough depth to accommodate almost any commercial user. The multifamily parcel offers a great opportunity for apartments, townhomes, or retirement village. Commercial property which fronts the access road would be ideal for office, medical, storage, and many other uses. All parcels will have access to the newly built road along with all local services and utilities. This property represents a rare opportunity in this vibrant and underserved market for any developer or user to see their vision realized. Please call or email me regarding pricing or any other questions, or find out more about this property and others at realtylinkdev.com.
From Ellison to